the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Across the region, temperatures are certainly very mild out there. 83 degrees the air temperature with a dew point of 66. We're starting to see that dew point climb just a little bit each and every day. Thank you to that southerly wind flow. Now southwesterly as the sea breeze begins to form. That should take any showers that we might develop and really push them pretty far inland. So I don't really see an issue for our coastal residents of seeing too much in the way of rainfall today. 82 in Bradenton Parish, 81 in Lakewood Ranch, 83 in Sarasota, 80 Venice, 78 degrees, a little cooler in Inglewood, 82 degrees in Punta Gorda, 81 Northport, Mayaca at 82, so's Wauchula and Arcadia. Today we'll probably top it out solidly in the mid 80s in inland areas, and that sea breeze going will keep the coast a little bit cooler, but it will still be warm out there. Now over my shoulder, you notice that mass of clouds that's over there. That is that large-scale storm system that moved through parts of the Midwest yesterday and just produced torrential rainfall. Huge monster storms with softball-size hail. Can you imagine? Falling from the sky, hailstones as big as softballs. Not a lot of long-track tornadoes. We certainly are not bothered by that situation. That remains well to our north, and we enjoy pretty quiet conditions here currently. A little bit of false echo that you saw there from the radar beam. Otherwise, really all meteorologists' attention in this area are turned to this long, elongated line of squall storms that are continuing to press toward the east. They have produced some very damaging winds, and all of these little boxes that you see popping up here, those are storm damage reports or storm reports of the system as it progresses toward the east. We've got hail, we've got blowing winds, we've got some tornadoes being reported, or at least funnel clouds and some small rope tornadoes. We've got also some very, very strong downdraft winds as well. So a very elongated, dangerous system that continues to provide the chance, although not as high as yesterday, of severe weather back to our west. Now here locally, no such condition. We have this drier air indicated here by the tan contours on the water vapor imagery signaling what's going on in the mid and upper levels of our atmosphere. And that dry air just moving right over the peninsula of Florida is squashing any kind of chances of any organized or widespread even convection across the state of Florida today. Maybe we get an isolated shower, certainly can't rule that out, but that's about it. The general flow around the high pressure ridge, which is extending through the deep South Gulf waters and the peninsula of Florida, is out of the southeast. Now locally, we've got a little bit of a sea breeze out of the southwest, pretty close to the coastline, that crashes into that sea breeze and creates the line that could create a few storms in inland areas today. But it's not a big deal for us. There certainly won't be severe storms, and they'll be well out of our region. Meanwhile, north of us is a problem with those showers and thunderstorms. And tomorrow, the Atlanta airport could be under the gun. If you happen to be a traveler tomorrow, it could be a little bit of a delay. Sunny afternoon, warm afternoon, and a few inland showers. Those are the weather highlights that take us in through the remainder of the afternoon. Our futurecast shows those showers popping up, dissipating in place, or being pushed even a little further inland. Other than that, we're good to go. Taking a look at the forecast for today, shifting winds with that sea breeze coming out of the southwest at about 10 knots, and the official Suncoast forecast for the remainder of the week keeps us dry, keeps us warm as we approach the 90 mark by the weekend. Scott?